Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. Man, you never know who might turn up, man. Man, where y'all from, man?
Merced.
Merced? You saying Soul Brothers got a chapter in Merced?
Yes, sir.
How many chapters y'all deep now, man? I heard y'all in Florida. Y'all got some states on behind y'all on the map now.
I don't know how to count.
You don't know how to count that many?
I don't know how to count.
Okay. Well, you know, y'all came down, you know, we talked it out, you know, and I told you some fine tuning. We do give advice over here at Money's Car Stereo for a small fee. It's kind of like G14 classified information. Whatever you find out from me hand to hand, keep it to your goddamn self.
Yes, sir.
Because if you tell somebody else, you know what it means? They're going to be on your level. Yep. If you want that to happen, keep talking. If you like to stand alone, keep it to yourself. Man, so what we got? Man, this is what do they call these?
FXRT.
Oh.
This is a fast bike.
They fast? What's up? What? So this right here takes a regular bagger motor can go on this bike.
Yeah.
So this is like the Sons of Anarchy bikes they was riding and all that. They was riding these. So you can put like a 124, 103, whatever.
This is a Soul Brother 88 though.
Soul Brother 88? Okay,
yeah.
Undisclosed. Undisclosed.
That's the undisclosed you're talking about.
Okay.
You can't tell nobody.
Okay.
It's that G14 classified.
Yeah. So we hooked him up with some grills. He gonna go home and install those to clean up his hookup. How you like them Diamond Audios, man?
They good.
They good? The horn is doing what it's supposed to do?
Yeah, I don't know if they Rob certified yet though, but
okay, well, I gave you some techniques how we can make sure they stay alive.
Yep.
And
can't tell nobody that though.
Yeah. And we got some, you know, some grills to make it look a lot more presentable.
Yep.
You know, because I guess I'm an OG installer because I got shit like that laying around. But you know, I put it in your hands, better in your hand than mine, because we just sitting there collecting dust. So, same with over my man. We told him about the grills. We got fixes for him. I'll let him know what he want to do. He gonna go home, meditate, twist some knobs. If you're doing your own installation, I say twist it far as you can twist it. When you give up, holla at me. I'm gonna take it to the finish line for you. Okay?
You want the slap? You come see Rob.
Hey, they wanted to say they wanted to be at the garage, the spot. They touched down. We here on the pavement. Man, y'all be riding, man. Tell me something. Where y'all be at, man? Y'all be riding. I heard about some trip coming up soon, man. Where y'all going?
Arkansas.
You going to Arkansas?
I'm going to Arkansas. I don't know if I'm going on the ground though.
You going on the ground?
I'm going on the ground.
On this?
On this. All the way to Arkansas.
What you getting on a full tank, man?
180.
180? Real talk. It's 6 gear 180.
Yeah, 180.
So LA, how many stops? Come on, quick.
10.
It's 2 stops.
2 stops.
It's 2 stops if you're doing that. Okay, I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Back.
Just stops all the way there.
Just to LA, 2 stops.
Okay.
2 stops to LA.
Arkansas, I think it's gonna be like 10 stops.
So what's gonna be the riding routine? How far y'all gonna run per day?
It's gonna be a 2-day trip.
2-day trips. I mean, you gonna push 1,200 each day or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Big sale is in my mind because that's how I kind of know these numbers.
Me and VP gonna do the 1,000-mile
Challenge.
butt challenge, something like that.
Shit, I can run from here to Phoenix. That's only 8. When I get to Phoenix, I feel like I can make it to New Mexico or somewhere.
1,000 miles in 24 hours. We're gonna do.
Okay. All right. Y'all heard that? 1,000 miles in 24 hours. They setting the standard, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, we gonna see. We gonna watch you on what you on YouTube or were you on Facebook, Instagram?
Facebook Live.
Okay, so they gonna check him in as they hit them state lines, y'all. Okay, we're gonna be watching, baby, and be safe out there, whatever you do. When if you get blurry, see them white devils and ghosts in the mirage, slow that shit down, get hydrated. I'm just saying. You know what I'm talking about when the freeway look like it's wet, but it ain't wet? Yeah. Like, there's water out there? No, it ain't.
Drink some water.
For sure. All right, y'all be safe now. Good seeing y'all. Come back, holla at your boy. All right.